Okay everyone, now take out your English literacy book. Everyone, take out your English literacy book. This is your English literacy book. So take out your English literacy book, everyone. Done? Okay, now open your book. Open your book. And the page number is 109. 109. Okay, open your book everyone, and the page number is 109. 109. Done everyone? Okay, the page number is 109. Word family E. Word family E. Okay, word family E. So today we will learn about word family E. Last time हमने A sound word किए थे, आज हम E sound words read करेंगे. Okay? Okay, let's read everyone. So you have to read after me. One by one read करेंगे. सब अपने बुक पे फिंगर रखेंगे. मैम के साथ में read करेंगे. Okay? Say H E N hen. Hen means murgi. Okay, again H E N hen. H E N hen. Now let's read this. R E D red. R E D red. Okay, next is P E N pen. P E N pen. Okay, now the next is J E T jet. Let's read it one more time. Say H E N hen. R E D red. P E N pen. J E T jet. Very well done everyone. Okay, now take out your English rough notebook. Okay, open your notebook. Okay, so today we'll do E sound word. First of all, mention the date and the day. So what's the date today? आज का date है 7 February 2022 and what's the day today? आज कौन सा day है? Monday. Mention the date and the day first and then heading. So what will be the heading? E sound words. ठीक है, पहले हम डेट मेंशन करेंगे, देन डे एंड देन हेडिंग. हेडिंग क्या होगी हमारी? ई साउंड वर्ड्स. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? Okay, so our first word is, first of all read, say P E N, pen. Let's write here P बोल बोल के लिखेंगे. ओके, E N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Now let's see the next word. So next word is N-E-T, net. Okay, N-E-T, net. Let's write here N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. Okay, next is T-E-N, ten. T-E-N, ten. Right here T. Okay, T E N, ten. T E N, ten. Okay, now next word is P E T, pet. P E T, pet. Let's write here P, बोल बोल के लिखेंगे. Okay everyone, say P E T, pet. P E T, pet. And the last word is B E D, bed. Okay, say B E D, bed. Right here B E D, bed. Okay, D, bed. B D, bed. Okay, B E D, bed. Let's read it one more time everyone. Say P E N, pen. N E T, net. T E N, ten. P E T, pet. B E D, bed. वेरी गुड एवरीवन. सो ये क्या है हमारे ई साउंड वर्ड्स. कौन से वर्ड्स हैं ये हमारे ई साउंड वर्ड्स. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन. सो इसकी ई साउंड वर्ड्स की आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके, यहाँ पे आप दोबारा से लिखेंगे और इसे रीड करने की भी आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके एवरीवन, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू क्लास, बाय बाय.